To make Nigerian-style moi moi, or bean pudding, start by soaking 1 pound, 0.45 kilograms of dried African honey beans in warm water for 20 to 45 minutes, or until the skin starts to loosen and peel. Rub the beans together gently with your hands to release the skins. Skim the skins off of the surface of the water with a slotted spoon or strainer. Drain the beans, then place them in a blender with 2 cups, 473 milliliters of water. Blend the beans and water until they are smooth, then transfer the bean paste to a large bowl and set it aside. Chop up a large red bell pepper, half an onion, and 1½ small habanero peppers, and blend the vegetables with 1½ cups, 355 milliliters of water until they're smooth. Add 2 cubes of beef bouillon to the blender and blend the mixture again until the bouillon is thoroughly mixed in. Pour the vegetable mixture into the bowl with the bean paste. Then add 1 teaspoon, 6 grams of table salt, 1/2 teaspoon, 2.4 grams of seasoned salt, and 1/2 cup, 118 milliliters of vegetable oil. Stir all the ingredients together thoroughly. Pour 3 cups, 0.7 liters of water into a pot and place it over low heat. While the water is heating, fold several sheets of aluminum foil into pockets. Then spoon about 1 cup, 237 milliliters of the bean mixture into each pocket and seal it by twisting the top closed. Place the pockets in the pot of water with the tops facing up and let them simmer over medium-high heat for 45 minutes to 1 hour with the pot covered. Turn off the pot and let it cool for a few minutes. Then carefully remove the moi moi packets using tongs. Remove the foil wrappings and enjoy your savory bean pudding.